Welcome to my channel. This is your boy Prince Recy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends.
In Canada, there are multiple ways to wash your car. I've compiled two videos, a part 1 and a part 2, to show you how I wash my car. Right? The first way is going through a touchless car wash and allowing the machine to wash the car for me. And the second way is just by using a hose, spraying down the dirt off the car. There's also another way where you could go into a car wash and use a brush and soap, wash it down, and then spray it with a power hose as well. So there are multiple ways, but I'll show you part 1, part 2, how we do it here, how we wash our cars, and you can also comment how you wash your car in your country. Thank you again for tuning into Prince Recy Adventure, and I hope to see you in the next one. As you can see, I'm manually washing the car with the hose, just spraying down, getting off the excess dirt. This is the most inexpensive way of washing a car. As I did say earlier, there are multiple ways of washing your car, and this way here is the most inexpensive, right? You just at home, you got some excess dirt on there, you just use your hose and just wash it off. But you can always take it to the car wash and have somebody wash it for you, or you can do the touchless, which I really do like. You just drive through and have it wash, and while you're sitting inside the car there, I really do enjoy that method, especially while we're in Canada here in the winter time. Alright, as you can see, just gave the car a nice little wash. You know, gotta keep it clean for the road.